Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 17th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody had a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the the tropics and also portions of the lower 48. But we're going to first start off with Tropical Storm Gabrielle, which is located right here, and look like it will take a northwest turn. It looks like Bermuda may get affected by this storm here. We got two more systems here behind this system here. We got one here and then one moving off the African coast as they continue to track to the west. We'll show you that toward the end of the video. We got some activity trying to get going up here in the southeast Gulf, also in the northwestern Caribbean, also off the southeast coast. We need to monitor that. Scattered activity over South America, Central America. Got some tropical waves and storms over in the Eastern Pacific. More activity across Central America, the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico, stretching into Texas, all the way up into the Dakotas. Also important in Minnesota and Iowa. A little bit of activity over the northeastern U.S. and also in the coastal waters regions as well. Alright, now let's take a look at the Tropical Storm Gabrielle, which is at 5 p.m. this afternoon, with located near latitude 19.4 north, longitude 48.0 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 50 miles an hour with higher gusts, moving into the northwest at 14 miles an hour. You can see tropical storm force winds here in the yellow, mainly to the central and eastern side of the storm. You can see it remains a tropical storm through 2 p.m. Saturday, and then become a hurricane on Sunday and remain one on Monday. And here's Bermuda. Here we're going to pass kind of to the east of Bermuda, but you should get affected by portions of the storm as it continue to push east of the area. So sometime probably around Saturday or Sunday, a tropical storm watch and warning will be issued probably for Bermuda as that system passes to the near or to your east, and the that time frame for your Monday and Tuesday. Alright, right now it has winds like I say 50 miles an hour, which is classified as a tropical storm. Winds of 39 to 73 miles per hour. Alright, let's move on to the forecast spaghetti-o models. You can see here it is right here, well compacted all the way through about 120 hours out. Some wants to take it to the west, but most of the model is bending it off to the east. We're still going to have to monitor this system, but right now Bermuda looks like it's in the range where it can get hit by Tropical Storm Gabrielle, which will become a hurricane by that time. So alrighty, and now let's take a look at the intensity guide. As you can see right now, it has about 45 knot winds equal to 50 miles an hour. You can see it remains a tropical storm pretty much through its life cycle, all the way through 168 hours out. Few takes into a category 1 hurricane. Some even shoots it up into a category 3 and 2. So we'll have to continue to monitor that and see what happens. So, but anyway, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. And hopefully we'll get a chance to see your local forecast coming up here in just a few minutes. From the Weather Prediction Center, your forecast. Okay, still waiting for it to come up. We're going to take a look at your Thursday forecast. Here we go. We got some shower activity for northern Maine, southeast Canada, also appearing portion around Rhode Island down toward DC and Delaware. More thunderstorms and showers along the coastal waters of the Atlantic, northwest Bahamas, central and south Florida, Florida Keys into the northern Gulf. Also through Texas to Mississippi, up to Michigan, to Wisconsin, also in the portion of Minnesota to the Dakotas, all the way down into Kansas, to Texas, to Colorado, to New Mexico, all the way over to California, Nevada, and Utah. We got some heavy rain and flash flooding over central and southern portions of California and south areas of Arizona. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright. Let's see if we can get on to your Friday forecast now. We're going to take a look at it as soon as we get there to it. Sorry about being slow. These new maps are kind of slowing it down a little bit. Alright, we're here, there, and are you going to pop up there? Okay, we're still waiting for, here we go. Alright, there's more shower activity across the western tropical Atlantic off the east coast of Florida through central Florida, northwest Bahamas to the northern and central Gulf, South Texas, West Texas to New Mexico to Nevada to California region. And then again from eastern Texas to Mississippi to Wisconsin, northern Michigan, and also into Wisconsin through the Dakotas, back down to Oklahoma for some shower and thunderstorm activity. Elsewhere, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Okay, as you can see, we got a lot of air quality alerts across the board. You can see some in Pennsylvania, some in southwest Ohio, central and southern Indiana, southwestern areas of Illinois, eastern Missouri, also Tennessee, around the Atlanta metro area, a little bit of northern Mississippi, west Tennessee, northeast Texas, southeast Texas. I got some special weather statements up here in northern Wisconsin, also in the areas of North Dakota. Some flood advisories there as well. Got a few severe thunderstorm warnings in Missouri and also Oklahoma and southern Kansas, and also in the portion northeastern areas of New Mexico with severe thunderstorm watches there as well. Even got some flood watches for central and southern California with some flash flood warnings there also in that vicinity. Alright, got some flood advisories over south central Florida. Got small craft advisories up here around the Boston area, down toward the Rhode Island area, southern California at the Washington Stadium. Got some gale warnings there as well. Also some around the Hawaii and Chain Island, around the Alaska region, storm warnings to the southeast, special weather statements to the north. Okay, now let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Thursday. We got marginal risk from Del Monte down to Fort Steele. General thunderstorms elsewhere from central and south Florida, Florida Keys, South Texas to Michigan to Wisconsin to Montana over toward California. Tornado probability looks like this. Less than 2% all areas. Damaging winds 5%. Large hail 5%. Alright, let's move on to the tropics. And we're going to show you these systems here. Alright, here's the two systems here. Here's the one here, has a near 0% chance of development and a 20% chance of development. A tropical wave is forecast to move off the west coast of Africa by Friday morning. Some slow development of the system is possible as it moves west-northwestward across the eastern tropical Atlantic this weekend into early next week. Alright, and let's take a look at this one here. And the other one is a tropical wave is forecast to move off the west coast of Africa same time. That there has a 0% chance of development and a 20% chance of development. And then there is Gabrielle. So, alrighty, so the next named storm will be Humberto. If name storm gets going, that's the next name on the list is Humberto. So, alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got.